I'm not gonna lie, this video is gonna seem excessive, and most people who watch this are gonna think, what happened to just placing seeds in dirt? Yes, you can, but if you're dealing with rare, expensive seeds like me, you're not taking any risks, and this video is gonna show you all my secrets on how to germinate based on years of experiments. The secret to success starts with creating a sterile and controlled environment, and I'll explain exactly what techniques I use and why they matter. The tools you'll need are rapid rooters, hydrogen peroxide, a seed starting tray, purified water, a seedling heat mat, and a grow light and timer. Everything I use and timestamps for every section is linked in the description. The first thing we want to do is completely sterilize the rooters, and the reason why is because even though these rooters are supposed to be sterile, seeds themselves could have fungal spores, mold, or bacteria, and this step will help kill them. Set aside water in a container that's large enough to fit your hands and fill it up to a point where you could completely submerge your rooters. Add about 2 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, and that's what's gonna kill those germs I talked about. Optionally, you could add some nutrients, but not too much. I wouldn't recommend going any past 150 ppm. Now, one by one, you're gonna submerge each of these rapid rooters in the solution and squeeze them over and over until no more bubbles float out. Remove these rooters and give the bottom half a squeeze. Keeping these rooters too saturated will drown your sproutlings, and if you're not sure how much to squeeze out, use a scale. They should be around 25 grams. Now place each of these rooters into your seed starting tray or humidity dome. But keep in mind that for seed starting trays, this center part of the lid is gonna block out light, so only put the rooters on the perimeter of these trays. Now sometimes these rooters don't have a clear path for the seeds to be dropped in, so I like to reinforce them with the dropper. Just make sure the hole's only halfway through. Now, grab your seeds, and one by one, you're gonna put a single seed in each hole. Then you're gonna plug these holes with a tiny piece of spare rooter that you'll pinch off. Smaller is better. You're simply trying to plug the hole so the moisture around the seed is held in. Gently poke these down, and then you'll add some of that original douche water back on top. Around 3 drops, right above the seeds where the plugs are. Last, you're gonna spray the top of the rooters and the inside of your lid with water that has some hydrogen peroxide in it. Now make sure everything is completely sealed so no air can get inside. Now the best environmental settings for sproutlings is around 85 degrees and under 18.6 lighting at around 200 ppfd. The temperature is best set using a seedling heat mat, and for setting the light intensity, watch the tutorial linked on the top right. Now place your completed dome in these settings, and now it's just a waiting game. As soon as the seedlings breach the surface and the stem is around 1 inch tall, the sproutlings are ready to be transplanted to soil. That tutorial is linked on the top right. If you have your own tips, drop a comment. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. And for the best tutorials on how to grow indoors, check out my other videos.